Sometimes a clogged bathroom sink requires more than the old-school plunger or a dose of Drano. In fact, we're going to teach you ways to unclog your drain. Although we are focusing on bathroom sinks, many of these drain unclogging techniques can be applied to other drains as well. The following methods are tried and true, and none of them contain abrasive, poisonous chemicals. 1. Baking soda and vinegar. This is an old method of unclogging drains that has proven to be very effective in bathroom sinks. Simply mix 1/3 cup of baking soda with 1/3 cup of vinegar in a measuring cup. This mixture will start to fizz immediately and should be promptly poured down the drain. The fizzing action is what helps remove the hair and grime so effectively. Let it sit for about an hour, then flush it out with hot water. 2. Baking soda and salt. Another effective combination is baking soda and salt. Mix 1/2 cup of each and pour the mixture into the drain. Wait about 15 minutes and then pour boiling water down the drain as well. All three components create a pretty aggressive chemical reaction and can unblock some of the tougher bathroom sink stoppages. 3. Boiling water. This works surprisingly well with certain bathroom clogs, especially stoppages due to soap scum. Boiling water is most effective when there is a slow drain and not a lot of tepid water already sitting in the sink. Fill up a kettle or large pot with water and bring it to a boil. Pour the water into the drain in 3 or 4 different stages. If this method is going to work, the results should be fairly quick. 4. Wet and dry vacuum. A wet and dry shop vacuum is an ideal appliance to help with particularly stubborn clogs. You might need to create a seal for the hose to effectively suction out the blockage, such as the top of a plastic soda bottle or a plunger head. Set your vacuum to the highest liquid setting and let the shop vac do the rest. The powerful suction is usually strong enough to dislodge whatever is clogging the plumbing. 5. Wire hanger. This method is saved for last because it is the most involved. If you can unclog your drain using one of the methods above, you can avoid this project. If not, using a wire hanger should clear up the most stubborn of clogs.